Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. What I got here is the ingredients that are going to be used to make sweet potato waffles. Now, I like to have sweet potato protein waffles a few times a week, depending on how I feel or whatever. So today I'm going to show you guys how I put this together, and maybe you can try it out and let me know how you like it. So the ingredients we have is egg whites, a protein powder of your choice. I like MTS whey. This flavor is cookies and cream. I have some vanilla extract, some baking powder, a cooked sweet potato, a bowl, a fork, and a scale for accuracy. So we're gonna start off by weighing out how much sweet potato we're gonna use. Now this is gonna be depending on your macros. For the macros that I'm using, I use 60 grams of cooked sweet potato. So we're gonna start out by weighing out 60 grams of. I use a serving and a half of egg whites, which is 72 grams. Pro tip, if you're a person that cooks sweet potatoes in a batch and then you refrigerate them, it's probably best to smash the sweet potato down before you add the rest of the ingredients. So weigh out the amount of sweet potato that you plan on using, smash it down, and then add everything else. I just took this one out of the microwave, so it's good to go. Our next ingredient is our protein. I use 3/4 of a scoop of protein powder. Which is 22 grams. Yes. Little vanilla extract, which I don't really weigh out. I just kind of put a couple drops in there. It's good enough. And then I put 4 grams of baking powder. Now there's other ways to add more carbohydrates to this. You could use oatmeal if you put it in a blender or a food processor and then add that to it. I've also used applesauce, as weird as it sounds. That works pretty good too. Then I take this and I smash it up in a bowl, get everything nice and whipped up. Once I get this stirred up, I'll show you what it looks like. And we're back. This is what it looks like once it's all stirred up. Okay. take a little butter spray. I took the liberty of preheating the waffle iron. And then I just put it on there. Try to make sure to fill in all of my grates. Now, the shape and size will depend on how much you pour on there. Shut it. And I flip it. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Grab it, kind of hot. Bam. I have more batter, but I think you understand what I'm saying. You just repeat the process, and depending on how much batter you made, you may get 1.5 waffles, you may get 1 big waffle, you may get 2, you know, depending on the amount that you chose. I'll put the macros on the screen to show you what it looks like. As far as dressing it up, I like to use sometimes fat-free whipped cream. I like to use peanut butter, depending on my fats for the day. And I like to use a lot of calorie-free condiments like Walden Farms. I have this caramel flavor here. I have chocolate syrup. And I have the pancake flavor. I'm gonna make this last waffle. It's gonna be my post-workout snack. I wanna thank you again for coming and watching my videos. I really, truly appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Harley Davidson or nothing. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box below and I'll be sure to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.